This is a video demonstrating how to reproduce this issue in Drupal. I've installed two identical systems, one on my local XAMPP server and another one on my Lunar Pages hosting. They are both identical and I'm currently logged in as user 1 in the Opera browser, having the two sites available here, and as not logged in the Firefox. The systems are both Drupal 6.19. They contain 3 nodes, where node 1 is the front page, node 2 and node 3 are just other nodes. Caching is set to normal with a minimum cache lifetime of 1 hour. I'm going to demonstrate the following. 1. The issue is reproducible with Firefox and Google Chrome on the Lunar Pages server. 2. The issue is not reproducible at all on my local XAMPP server. And 3. The issue is not reproducible with Internet Explorer or Safari on either server. Okay, so let's start reproducing the issue. First I'm going to clear the Drupal cache. And then I'm going to clear the browser cache. So now I'm here. I'm entering as an anonymous user. I'm checking on the different nodes here. Node 1, node 2, node 3, back to node 2. I leave the computer and another user comes and he has a user account. So he logs in. And you see the menu here, and you see a block that contains classified info for logged in users only, and he's able to see those. So he's visiting a couple of nodes here, both containing the classified info. Okay, the user logs out again, and Drupal returns to the front page. So then the first user comes, and he wants to check out the pages again. He sees the front page here, everything's fine. Then he goes to node 2, and suddenly he seems to be logged in as user. He's seeing the classified info, and also on node 3 he's seeing the classified info. If he goes to the front page, well, he does not. So, okay, he's nice user, so he tries to log out the previous user but gets access denied. So apparently he seems to be logged out, but when viewing the node he seems to be logged in. So I'm going to try and describe how this happens. But first let us reproduce the issue once more, now in Google Chrome. Okay, I'm closing the Firefox and I'm going to the Opera as a super admin, clear the cache data. I'm clearing the Chrome cache. Okay, entering as an anonymous user, viewing the nodes, and then entering as a logged in user. Viewing different nodes, logging out, and now an anonymous user comes again, checking the front page, and when it comes to node 2 he seems to be logged in, but he really isn't. So the same issue here. I'm going to demonstrate the same in Internet Explorer as well. So I'm closing Google Chrome. I'm having Internet Explorer available. I'm clearing the cache there as well. and clearing the Drupal cache again, starting on fresh. Okay, so my anonymous user enters. He visits the different nodes on the site. Then the user with the username comes and he logs in, visiting a couple of nodes, logging out again. Okay, so the first user comes back, and in Firefox he experienced that visiting node 2 would expose him to the data of the logged in user. Here we see that it doesn't. So we see the issue is not reproducible in Internet Explorer. This is version 7. I've tested in version 8 also, and with the same result. Okay, so let's pull up Safari. We clear the cache there as well. Reset Safari, empty the cache, reset. I go to the Drupal cache and clear that as well. Okay, so I'm here as the anonymous user, visiting different nodes. Come as the logged in user. Visiting a couple of nodes there as well. Logging out. Being redirected to the front page. The first user comes back. He checks out the pages. And you see he's not exposed to the user's information. So the bug is not reproducible in Safari either. So now I've showed that the issue is reproducible in Firefox and in Google Chrome on my Luna Pages server. Now I will show that it is not reproducible on my local server with Firefox. So I'm closing down this one and this one, taking up my Firefox again. I'm going to my local site. I'm clearing the cache there. Or first let me just see here. Okay, I'm ready. So I'm clearing the cache on the local site. I'm clearing the browser cache here, and I'm visiting the site as an anonymous user as I used to. I'm coming as a logged in user, visiting a couple of nodes, logging out again, coming as my anonymous user again, checking the different nodes, and remember on node 2 we used to see classified info. We do not here. So not reproducible with Firefox on my local server, and I could show it in Google Chrome as well. It will be the same result. I'm not taking the time to do that now. Okay, so in this video I showed that the issue is reproducible on certain servers with Firefox and Google Chrome. In the next video I'm going to demonstrate when this is happening, how we can predict when this will happen.